time consuming. What is good with all these hair tools that are like 2-in-1, blow dryer and straightener? Is that like the new thing? GHD was like the first one to really like do this. Now Revlon and Dyson, we gotta try these hair tools out. So today I'm gonna be trying the Revlon One-Step Air Straight. Wait, the Dyson one is called Dyson AirStrait as well, but this is the Revlon One-Step Air Straight. This is gonna be interesting. I'm definitely gonna be comparing this also to the Dyson and to the GHD, so you gotta stay tuned because those videos are coming very soon. But let's open this up. This retails for $70. This video is not sponsored. This was gifted by Revlon, but they also sent me this one, another one. So if you guys want to enter a giveaway that I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be giving this other one away, so stay tuned so you can know how to enter the giveaway. So let's open this up and let's see what's in here. Got some instructions. You have a glove, very nice. I love that they put this right here because some people open hair tools and they don't really read instructions. Sometimes I do that, and this is just very important instructions that you need to keep in mind when using this hair tool. This hair tool is a 2-in-1, so it's going to release hot air, but it's also going to turn into a straightener, so be very careful with this hair tool. I love how they put the drying settings in white. As you can see, these settings only use on wet hair, or you can use it on dry hair if you want to, but the styling settings you can only use on dry hair, which are these two back here all the way in the end. So these two red ones are the styling settings, so basically like the hot plate settings. One of them releases air and heated plates, which is this one right here, and then this one all the way down here is only heated plates. This has 4 drying settings, so the cool air, which is this blue one right here, low, medium, and high. So you have a ton of heat settings. So far, I really like that about this hair tool. You have options. Here's the hair tool. Wow. Look at that. Before I jump into drying my hair, I'm going to use a little bit of heat protection. This is the Wella Ultimate Repair Miracle Hair Rescue Spray. Love this spray. This is actually a travel size. I'm almost like running out. This thing is expensive, but it's so good. This little thing is like $40, and then their big size is like $100, which is crazy, but it is really good. It always gives me great results. It's supposed to repair your hair in 90 seconds, which is unbelievable, but it does make a difference when I use this product on my hair. Like, it really does make my hair super healthy looking, so I think it works. I think it's doing something. It's in the medium heat setting. If you don't hear anything, it's because the plates are open. It's not going to release air until you close the plates. It says it right here. I'm just reading the instructions. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna take this section right here. All right, the air feels just like the Revlon Plus. Okay, so there's one pass. I'm gonna need a couple more than that, so we're just gonna keep going. Let's see. I like that this doesn't get super hot. You can press it if you want. You really don't have to press it. I feel like this like really closes super well. Okay, there's 2 passes. Still gonna need a couple more, so okay. Ooh, pulling my hair a little bit. Yeah, I pulled my hair a little bit. Make sure that you detangle your hair super well, because that brush will pull your hair if you don't detangle. Let's do that again. Still not completely dry, and to me that's not smooth enough, so we're gonna do another pass. Is this number 4 already? It feels completely dry. I just don't like how it looks. It doesn't look smooth to me. I'm gonna do a couple more passes. Good enough for now, because we are gonna smooth it out more with the other setting. It is completely dry, and so this is what we got. What do you guys think? I'm gonna compare this to the Dyson, because if the Dyson is doing the same thing to my hair basically, and it's $500. I gotta do a side-by-side comparison, so that's coming very soon. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I don't see myself using these types of hair tools to blow out my hair. I also felt that way about the GHD Duet style. I just prefer round brushes. Even the Revlon Plus, I kind of prefer a little bit more than this to blow out my hair. But I'm gonna do all my hair, and I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. So far, it's a little time consuming. Since my hair is completely dry, I mean, I feel it and it is completely dry, I want to try the styling setting but with the fan mode. So this one right here, we'll do this section. Oh yeah, it feels hotter. I think the straightening feature, like the heated plates alone, might leave it even smoother. I'm gonna try it in the highest drying mode just to see if that maybe dries my hair better and quicker. But I do prefer a medium heat setting with Revlon hair tools because my hair gets, you know, a little damaged. I'm not gonna lie, it gets a little damaged when I use the high heat setting. But I'm gonna try to dry this the most that I can. Now my hair is definitely pretty damp, so it's not super wet how I was before. And now I feel a little bit more comfortable using it in the highest heat setting just because my hair is not completely wet, and when your hair is completely wet, it is the most like fragile, so it can break easier than when it's damp. Okay. So there's one pass. Not terrible. I feel like I am going to be able to straighten my hair quicker because my hair is a little bit more dry now. Two passes. Let's do one more. Three. Not bad. It's not like super smooth for me, but I mean, it's not terrible, and I'm still gonna go in with the other styling mode. So let's do one more pass. Okay, so I think with 4 passes it looks okay. It doesn't look that bad, and for the price, $70, that's what I like about Revlon hair tools, that their hair tools are not super expensive. I just bought the Dyson AirStrait and it cost me $500. Like, that's a lot of money. So I like that Revlon is way more affordable and you can try more things. You can try more hair tools. I'm gonna do all my hair in the high heat setting just because I feel like it's gonna dry my hair quicker. It's gonna give me smoother results, and since I am gonna rough dry my hair, I feel more comfortable using this hair tool in the high heat setting on, you know, pretty damp hair, not like super wet hair. So I'll be back with the final look and my thoughts. Wow. Okay, I am done blowing out my hair. I just did a blowout and this is what it looks like. It's not my favorite. It's not my favorite, but what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to use the heated plates now, and let's see if that can make my hair look smoother, because this is not it for me. I am just not loving it. It also took me a very long time to dry all my hair. I just basically wanted to dry all my hair, like have it completely dry. I wasn't looking for the smoothest results because I knew I wasn't going to use the other setting, like the heated plate setting. So I just didn't want to waste a ton of time trying to get it super smooth, because if I really wanted to do that, it was going to take me like at least 7 passes if I wanted to get it somewhat smooth. I did probably like at least 4 passes per section, and it's completely dry. This is what it looks like, and yeah, it definitely looks unfinished for me. So we're gonna use the styling plates now. So I'm gonna switch it to all the way to the end. I'm gonna do this section with only the last heat setting, just very slowly bringing this down. As you can see, no air is coming out. It's just the heater plates. I'm gonna try to flip the ends a little bit. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna do another pass because I feel like it's still not completely straight for me, but that did definitely smooth out the hair a little bit more. It took me at least an hour to dry all my hair, and now I have to straighten it with this. So okay, honestly, that doesn't look bad. I know it might look straight, but I can see that it could get frizzy. But I'm gonna do one more pass and let's see what that could do. But yeah, this is definitely making my hair look smoother, so I'm gonna do this to all my hair and we'll see what my hair looks like at the ends. The ends also don't look that great and I just got a trim. And I just wish the results would have been a little bit nicer. Okay guys, this is the final look after smoothing out my hair with the heated plates. I'll be honest, this is not giving. I am not loving the final look. It looks very frizzy. I know I'm gonna have to use a straightener after this to smooth out my hair anyways. So unfortunately, I don't see myself reaching for this. It's not my favorite Revlon hair tool. I prefer to blow out my hair with the Revlon Plus in the medium heat setting. It took me a very long time to even get to this. Like, it took me at least an hour and 30 minutes. But anyways, if you like hair tools like this, try it out. It's only $70. Give it a try. If you don't like it, return it. But for me, it is not worth it for curly hair. And I also feel like it still looks pretty frizzy. And it's gonna get even frizzier if I don't use a straightener. So yeah guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. I'm gonna link this down below if you guys want to shop, if you guys want to buy it. And like I said, I am going to be doing a giveaway, so all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to try this out, let me know in the comments down below and I'll pick a winner and send one over to you so you can try it and give me your feedback. Let me know if you like the hair tool or not. We'll keep in touch, you know. But yeah, if you want to win one of these, then all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below, and let me know if you want to try it and I'll just pick a winner from there. And I'll post something like this, so you guys have to check out my post on my like community page and I'll tag you guys on there. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.